Well, here you are today, and I am very excited that you clicked on this series of courses. I have been training thousands of hairstylists in my last 35 years of doing hair. That's a long time. And for any of you who are not stylists, you are welcome too. All my step-by-step styles will be super easy to follow along. I'm not saying super easy to execute because mastery takes a little work, but you are in the right place to learn steps, easy steps, and tricks that will get you to be the updo queen and the hairstylist in the neighborhood that everyone will come to. The courses all come as slides with written directions, and that is a great way to learn because the slides are 10 seconds each and you can stop them, and then you know exactly what step to take and the next steps on the next slide. But you can watch it 100 times. When you're watching a video, it's kind of hard to know where to stop the video to catch up with the artist, and you might not get the full picture. So in these courses, you get detailed, full picture of step by step, and any art form with the hair that I feel you need to see live. I have done it on the mannequin head, and each video will be in the course. So if the hairstyle has pin curls in it, then I will do them live here to show you. If the style has hair knots or hot rollers, I have done it all here live so you can see it in motion. I am so excited that you are going to improve your updo skills, your confidence, and get clients in your chair at every age group and fall in love with doing updos again. I'm going to take the scary out and bring the fun and the cha-ching back in.